Yo, what's up guys, Camo Squid here. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are standing outside of the Pacific Standard Bank. And you may know this is accessible in free roam. So you can come in here and there's actually quite a bit of places you can go. You can see there's a second entrance over here. But as you can see, we cannot get into this area at all, no matter how hard we try. But there is a way that you can get in there. You can get into the vault. We just come up these stairs over here. You can see we're obviously on the second level, the balcony area. And we can actually go over to those stairs over there. And you can see each of these rooms you can go in. They have quite a bit of detail. Not stuff you normally see when doing the heist, but it is all here. So then come into this area, and now we are behind the counter, as you can see. But the vault is down these stairs. You still cannot get in. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is, I don't know what it's called, but you go up against this wall. So on PlayStation or Xbox, console I guess, you press the right bumper. It's R1 on PlayStation, and I think it's just RB on Xbox. I'm not sure about PC. But you just come in here, come up against this wall, pull up your phone, come into contacts. You just request any contact mission. So we'll call Simeon. Just request a job.
This is Simeon. What's up? No problem.
Then we wait for that to come up on the phone. And once it does, you want to go ahead and accept that. There it is. They just happen to be double money this week. Now this doesn't work 100% of the time. But it works. It might not be your first try, but it'll work eventually. So we just want to go ahead and back out of the job as soon as we get into it. And as you'll see, it didn't work that time. But if we come back in, try again. As you can see, there's all the people in this lobby. So it will be the same lobby when we come back in. Just the wall breach. You have to it all depends on the perfect placement when you come up. When I first tried it, I got it first try, but then that was my second try and I obviously didn't get it. So you just want to go in again. As soon as the screen pops up, just back out. And it didn't work again. So we'll try again, and just try as many times as it takes. Eventually it will work if you get the placement right. We are still in the same lobby. Just want to go ahead, try it again. Still got the same contact mission, so might as well just keep accepting the same one. Go ahead, back out, quit the job, and there you go. Now as you can see, we are on the other side of the locked gate. The only way you can get out is if you switch sessions or kill yourself. And as you can see, even more of an interior down here. And of course, there it is. There's the vault. We got this door here. What is that? Elevator. And then, should you choose to want to come into the vault, because as you can see, we can't push it open. There's no way we can pull it open because you can't grab it. There are two options you can choose from. First one, put a sticky bomb just right up in that corner. I don't know if it has to be specifically there, but pretty close, you know. It doesn't have to be exactly, obviously. Just in that general area, and then go ahead, press left on the D-pad to blow it up. Alright, that obviously was not a good enough area, I guess. Put it right in the corner. Alright, try again. Guess this is a little more precise than I would have imagined. Alright, well, if that doesn't work, you can pull out your up and atomizer, which came out a couple years ago, is now free. Or it was free, it is now probably a couple $100,000, but just shoot right in that corner as well. And it'll open up. You can come in here. This gate is not locked. You can actually come in here, as well as this one. You can see all the deposit boxes and such. Pretty cool. It's actually impressive how much interior is even in this area. How much detail is put into this. It's pretty cool. Cool little area. Cool, fun little area to come and either mess around with people or just hide from people, or, you know, whatever you want. Let me see if I can use the sticky bomb to... Let's put it right on that. Huh. Yeah, so obviously it's much easier to just pull out the up and atomizer ray gun and just shoot right in that corner. Yeah, if you don't have one, buy one. If you do have one, I imagine you bought it or you got it free like I did. I forget how you would have gotten it free, but this is weird though. That might be too far out. There we go. So get it right in that corner. It is pretty heavy though. Alright, it's pretty light, surprisingly. You would think for being such a vault door it would be a lot lighter, but... or a lot heavier, but... it's pretty light. It'd be cool if they had like a clicking sound or something when it opens and closes. That'd be pretty cool. But I guess you're not technically supposed to be in here, so I guess they wouldn't go that far. It's a pretty good location you can come to if you're trying to escape a bounty or you just want to come in here and hide for whatever reason. Or just to mess with people and watch as they struggle to get in. I first discovered this. There was a bounty. No, it was just a guy that was coming after me, and he came in here, hid in here. First I didn't know where he went, and then I realized you can go in the Pacific Standard, so that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. And then eventually I figured out he was down here, so I was like, alright, how do you get into the vault area of the Pacific Standard? And so it still works. 2021. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like if you want. If not, I don't really care. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you'll never miss out when I upload new videos. I don't normally upload stuff like this. This is probably a once in a while kind of thing, if at all. Just a quick tips and tricks video. I discovered the video I saw was from 3 years ago, so I thought, alright, I don't really see a updated one, so I'll make a working in 2020 or 2021, I guess. So this hasn't been patched. I don't know if it ever will. Maybe not. Hopefully not. It's a pretty cool location, and what's the point of having a location if you can't get into it in some way? So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.